Hey everybody, my name is Leah. We actually, just wanted to let you know, we just had a tornado warning. So, but it passed us. We didn't even get it. What the heck is going on? But yeah, so I was actually hiding under the blanket playing my phone. There was a thunder. I didn't even know there was a thunder. But someone here told me. It's like, wait, there was thunder? I was like, right there, lightning. About to thunder. That means God just got a strike. There's the pins falling down. There's the ball rolling. The pins falling down. That's what you always told me. Thunder and lightning means Jesus. Well, lightning means Jesus got a strike. But thunder means when the ball is rolling and when the pins go down. That's what you always told me. Just hit me, not scared of thunder and lightning.
Doing that on there.
Hey. So, yeah, that's what she always told me. But they're just like expressions to make me not scared. Ellie's parents has even done it, so got this movie. But yeah, hope you guys like this video, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.